Welcome to Apps4Org. This video shows how to add and manage speakers. Select the speaker menu on the left side of the page. This page shows the list of speakers. Select the menu on a speaker to find options for editing and deleting the speaker. To add a new speaker, select the menu on the right side of the speakers page and click Add New. Enter the speaker name, title, company, speaker category, and speaker bio. Upload speaker photo. Enter the speaker's contact information, email, phone, website, and social links. You can upload the documents such as abstract oral poster presentations, handouts, feedback, etc. Click Save. Here are the information for profile photo and document type. Thank you for watching the video.